Hello, my name is Edinson Andres Reina Leguizamón, student industrial engineer. I am going to present you the development of activity 3, planning the trip. Travel itinerary NOPSA. The main attractions of this trip are Principal Park, Bicicross Tour, Virgin of Lourdes, Motocross, Ecological Walk, Paragliding. Day 1. Boyacens breakfast tour of the main park. Bicicross tour along the Morales Trail Lounge. Visit to the Virgin of Lourdes. Participation in a Eucharistic meeting dinner. Accommodation at Hotel Nopsa Colonial. Day 2. Breakfast, tamal, chocolate, visit main streets and graphs of the region. Lunch, visit motocross meeting, El Bosque, Ecological Trail Camping Area. Day 3. Country breakfast, walk through ecological trails, ascent to waterfalls and view points, paragliding descent. Lunch and the main Park La Concepción, sharing were expectations and recommendations of the adventure will be remembered, and the best tourist will be awarded for having finished leaving back at sustained costs. The value of this package that includes lodging, food, transportations, attractions, medical attention, personal guide at a cost of 800,000 pesos per person. Thank you.